Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, the bounce that we've seen in the grains off of the recent lows continued overnight. Got beans up about 8 cents, corn up a penny, and wheat up 3 cents. I think a lot of this is linked to higher China stock market in front of their policy meeting. We also have gold at 13-month highs. And so we might be just rattling a little bit some of the shorts that are in the grains, and there might be a little bit of short covering in front of this important meeting. Chinese soybean meal, corn futures were all higher. Palm and soybean oil futures were actually sharper higher. A lot of conflicting news in the wheat market. There was one report that last year's record crop could see this year a lower crop due to some dry weather across parts of the growing areas. But Russia announced today that they could see 100 to 105 million ton crop and 30 to 33 million tons of exports versus 30 last year. France estimated that their winter wheat crop is estimated about 94% good to excellent versus 91 last year. Argentine soybean crush is increasing, and so is their new sales, and so that's offering some resistance to the marketplace. U.S. corn barge basis is easing on maybe some slowing demand, and South American corn values are also dropping. Kansas City wheat has been gaining on Chicago, and I think a lot of this has to do with some weather concerns, maybe a little dry in the southern part of the southern plains. U.S. Midwest 6-day data outlook continues to call for normal to above temps, normal to above rains, especially in the east and south. 8 to 14 day continues to suggest an above normal temps with normal rains or above normal rains in the east, below in the west. Funds yesterday, buyers of beans, oil, and wheat. They sold corn. They continue to be pretty big shorts in the corn and wheat and short the beans. Open interest yesterday went up in the corn but down in the wheat. First resistance in the May beans is probably 881. For May corn, it's 367. We went over the 20-day moving average in May wheat at 461, so your next resistance is 471. So closer we get to $9 beans in the May, maybe in the 380 area in May corn, and maybe closer to $5 wheat. That's when farmers should take advantage of this rally and sell some cash. Again, I don't know if we're ready to buy anything yet. I would like to see a little bit of a break to buy something going into the 2016 U.S. unknown summer season weather. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. And have a safe and profitable trading day.